Let's look. Glamorous, oh, the classic. Hey guys, welcome back to Saving Mamasita, the home of Rate That Box. Yes, we do a lot of monthly subscription box unboxings right here at Saving Mamasita, as well as product reviews, hauls, try-ons, lifestyle videos, those types of things you can find right here on my channel. For those of you that are brand new, I welcome you. Today, you are here for the Glossybox April box. That's right, we've got the April edition right here. So excited to unbox it here for you guys. And of course, following the unboxing, we will do a quick Rate That Box segment. That's right, we will rate the box and let you guys know what we think about this box. So let's go ahead and unbox the Glossybox April edition. So Glossybox comes in this box monthly. I love this little tear thing here. So darn satisfying to rip that thing. Opening it up like this and boom, there is that classic pink and black embossed box. This is the regular monthly box. If it is a limited edition or a special glossy box, they do have different color boxes, but this is the actual box that you will get on your regular Glossybox subscription box. And they do have a couple different promotional items that they throw in there. This is for HelloFresh and this is for Pepper, a bra brand. So a couple different things if you want to check those out. So opening up the top, here's what it looks like. Then they have a cute little ribbon tie here with tissue paper and a sticker. So what I love about Glossybox is the fact that it is super affordable. It is definitely a box that is different every single month. Here's what it looks like. It's got the black confetti paper in there as well as all of the products. Usually they have a theme and usually they have a postcard that has a listing of all the products along with their values and descriptions. Also, those descriptions usually include a tip on how to use the products. Sadly, there's no postcard, so we are going to wing it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 products inside this glossy box. First one, it looks like we have a Kitsch scrunchie set, and it looks like there's 1, 2, 3 of these 3-piece satin sleep scrunchie set in blush. I love the blush color. Isn't that freaking adorable? Satiny. Next item we have is called Sulwhasoo. It is Advanced First Care Activating Serum Activator. Okay, so it's an essential anti-aging booster facial serum that got advanced to the 5th generation, featuring upgraded Jalm activator that brings out youth potential of your skin for a healthy and natural glow. If you're looking to try a serum, different serums out there, this could be an option for you. The Sulwhasoo First Care. So it comes in this pretty decent size. Let's open this up. Oh, okay. So it's just a lift off cap, and then it has the little pump. So that's what it looks like. Just your basic, it's like a watery based serum. Smells pretty good too. Definitely worth a shot if you're looking at trying different serums. Since I don't have the postcard, I will go ahead and do some research and see what products these are along with their links, and I'll leave them down in my description area so you can check those out. Also, if this box interests you and you want to try it for yourself, I will leave a code and a link down below where you can save off your first subscription box, which would be like $16 or so. So super affordable. Next product, it looks like we have a Laritzy Cosmetics. Seems familiar to me. I'm not sure if I've received this one before. What is it though? It's a gel liner, it says. So this is in Truffle. Laritzy eyeliner in Truffle. I usually use black. Brown might be kind of fun to try. Looks like it already, the point came off of it. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Next up, we have a Lashfood Conditioning Collagen Lash Primer. Lashfood. I've never heard of that brand either. Okay, so it looks like it's a twisty and it is clear like this. Apparently you are supposed to prime your lashes before you actually put mascara on them. I don't do that. Do you guys do that? Anyways, if you want to try it, they have it in your Glossybox. Next up, we have Neolastin Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream. Ooh, always up to trying a new eye cream. So it's in a small little container like this. It has one of these pull-off tops, and it is, I love to smell. So definitely worth a shot for sure. Finally, we have This Works Stress Check Sleep Lotion, comforting lotion with lavender and chamomile to support a good night's sleep. For some reason, I feel like I've received this before, so this might be a duplicate. However, it is a pretty darn good size product. So it says, use in the evening to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. 98% natural sleep support with lavender, chamomile, and patchouli. Very lavendery. That'll definitely relax you in the nighttime. So that concludes the unboxing of our Glossybox April edition. Let's go ahead and do a quick review and then we will rate this month's Glossybox. So we got the Scrunchies. We got the Sulwhasoo First Care Activating Serum. We got the Laritzy Gel Crayon Liner in Truffle. The Neolastin Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream. The Stress Check Sleep Lotion. And the Lashfood Primer. All of those items, you guys, for roughly around $21. If you use my code to take advantage of your discount on your first box, you can get that for $16 instead. So not too bad for, 6 products. Let's go ahead, you guys, and rate this box. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. When we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. Or 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this freaking box. When we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the variety of the items in the box, as well as the price point of the items in the box as well. So looking at this Glossybox, you know, they are very consistent with their packaging. I love the box. I love that the way they package it. The only thing they're missing this time is the freaking postcard, which gives all the information on each product, as well as their values, as well as the descriptions of each item. So that makes it a little difficult for me to really know how to use these products, know what they're all about. So yeah, the variety of the items was great. I love the Scrunchies. That was a fun little addition to it. I feel like this was a repeat as far as me using these products. Looking at all of these products, there were 6 products in here. I would say probably of the 6, I will use maybe 2 of the items, the Scrunchies and the eye cream. Not as impressed with this box as previous boxes that I've received. So let us put our thinking hats on and let's go ahead and rate this box. Hit that drum roll, please. Glossybox April box, you are going to get a rating of a 5. You gotta find, you gotta find, you gotta find. What did you guys think about this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. What would you have rated this box? If you enjoyed this video, you guys, please hit that like, the subscribe button, the notification bell. Bye.